Unlock the secret to spending that American Express gift card balance directly from your Cash App with this simple guide. First, open the Cash App on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version installed from the App Store or Google Play for optimal functionality. Next, tap on the profile icon, usually found in the upper right-hand corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Linked Banks. Tap on it. This is where you'll connect your American Express gift card. Select the option to add bank. Cash App will prompt you to choose your bank or card type. Choose Add Card instead of searching for a specific bank. This is crucial because American Express gift cards aren't directly linked like bank accounts. Now, carefully enter the card details from your American Express gift card. This includes the 15 or 16-digit card number, expiration date, and the CVV code located on the back of the card. Double-check each entry for accuracy to avoid any issues. Cash App may then ask for the billing address associated with the card. Since gift cards typically don't have a registered address, use your own current billing address. Some users have also had success using the address printed on the gift card packaging, if available. Once all the information is entered, tap Add Card. If successful, you'll see a confirmation message stating that your card has been linked. Now you can use your American Express gift card balance for Cash App transactions, like sending money to friends or making online purchases. Enjoy spending your gift card.